We must pay homage to him.
What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Eibach Pro-Kit. I'm going to be talking about my experiences, I'm going to give you some pros and cons, and then I'm going to let you know if the Eibach Pro-Kit is the right springs for you. Now with the Eibach Pro-Kit you're looking at a 1.5 inch drop. And one thing to know, my wheel setup, I run 18 by 8.5 wheels with a 35 offset, so take that into account. But my experience with them has been great. I've had no issues with them. I installed the springs myself. That was relatively easy. They suit my wants and what I was looking for my situation. And overall, my experience with them has been great. Alright, as for pros and cons, starting with the pros. Rides just like stock, it handles great. I don't rub whatsoever, so you don't have to worry about rolling your fenders or anything like that. No rubbing. You don't have to worry about speed bumps, dips, driving up driveways. I rarely scrape. You know, that's why I went with the Pro Kit, because I didn't want to have to worry about these things, because especially in my area the roads are all messed up, man. So many dips, so many imperfections in the road, potholes. I didn't want to sacrifice any of that comfortability, and that's what you get with these springs. You get a very comfortable ride. You don't need a camber kit, and you don't have to camber your wheels whatsoever. Now you have to take into account what type of wheels you get, you know, the size, the offset, all of that. So you really have to do your research on that part. Now as for the cons, it's only one con, and that's the fitment. You don't get that perfect fitment with these springs. You do eliminate most of the wheel gap, but you're not going to eliminate all of it, right? Because with the Pro Kit, you have to understand that you're getting this because you want a subtle drop. You don't want a very low drop. And then you're not gonna get that. You're gonna eliminate most of the wheel gap, and it's gonna look good, but it's just not gonna look perfect. So why did I go with the Eibach Pro-Kit? The reason why I went with the Pro-Kit is because of my situation, right? I commute a lot, but like I said before, my area, the roads are terrible. There's so many dips, so many potholes, the road is imperfect. I work at a college, and if any of you know, most of these colleges, they have like a speed bump like every 20 feet. So I didn't want to have to worry about, you know, slowing down for every single one. I didn't want to worry about bottoming out, right? I didn't want to damage my exhaust or anything like that. So I knew with the Pro Kit, I was getting a very subtle drop, and I was going to eliminate most of the wheel gap, but I knew I wasn't going to get that perfect fitment. Ultimately, I'm happy with them. So is the Eibach Pro Kit right for you? I think you gotta think about your situation. Are your roads imperfect? Do you encounter a lot of dips, speed bumps, potholes? Are your roads perfect to where you don't have to worry about that type of stuff? And I think you also have to consider if you're solely just looking for fitment and you don't care about sacrificing comfortability and inconvenience, then I would probably go with the sport lines or some other type of spring or coils. However, if you just want to eliminate the wheel gap, you don't care about having perfect fitment, you just want good fitment, and you still want a comfortable ride, and you don't want to worry about the inconveniences, then I would definitely go Eibach Pro-Kit, because I could assure you that you're going to get good fitment, you're not going to sacrifice a lot of comfortability and inconvenience, it's going to ride just like stock, and I think if that's what you're looking for, you're ultimately going to be happy, and I could assure you of that. If there's anything I didn't address, if there's something that you're looking to answer for, feel free to message me. I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen. Like I said, feel free to message me if you have any more questions. If you want pictures of what the fitment looks like from the side or whatever, just message me if you have any questions and concerns. Other than that, guys, until the next video.